2024 Toyota Venza redesign and new engine reviews. The 2024 Toyota Venza will only see modest changes. The SUV returned in 2021, and the business has not yet thought about updating it. As just an alternative, some new features or even a higher grade could become accessible. So nothing major. The main drawback of Venza is the absence of an alternative to its hybrid engine. The technique is still highly effective, though. The SUV's interior is comfortable and somewhat safe. The cargo space can potentially fall short of expectations. From the midsize two-row vehicle, we anticipate more. 2024 Toyota Venza redesign. The SUV will come in at least 4 different trim levels. Thus, the LE likely continue to be the base model for the 2024 Toyota Venza. 18-inch wheels, heated mirrors, and a hands-free liftgate are all highlights of this grade. A 4.2-inch driver's display, cloth upholstery, and LED lighting are also included in the basic package. With an 8-inch screen, 6 speakers, wireless charging, and 4 USB connections, the infotainment system is rather excellent. The addition of a 12-inch screen improves the touch screen as well. The car is cozier thanks to imitation leather. All of those choices are available with the Venza Nightshade, but everything is dark. It will cost you about $1,100 to update. The newest tech and devices are crammed inside the 2024 Toyota Venza Limited. The Star Look bundle makes up the uncommon optional add-ons for such a limited model. It has an electro-active sunscreen and a panoramic roof with 2 switchable configurations. 2024 Toyota Venza fuel efficiency and engine. The Toyota Venza 2024 has a hybrid setup under the hood. The business updates a standard 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with an electric motor. The device generates 219 horsepower and 163 lb-ft of torque in total. Although the engine is capable of producing greater power, the gas economy is the main concern. At 39 mpg combined and 40 mpg in the city, the Venza is one of the top SUVs in this class. That powertrain has coupled to a CVT transmission, and all-wheel drive is standard, which further increases the astonishing mpg figure. On other cars, the very same gasoline engine receives further improvements to offer additional power. The RAV4 Prime variant is capable of 302 horsepower while maintaining extremely elevated amounts of fuel efficiency. Nevertheless, the future 2024 Venza doesn't really offer a plug-in hybrid model. Future, refresh, engine choices. So, it is obvious that the Venza will require an upgrade after 4 seasons on the market. Although Toyota has some ambitious intentions for the future, the SUV must continue to be competitive. Although the efficiency is excellent, customers want something else. The car will seem newer and attract more customers with cosmetic and interior modifications. As previously said, gas mileage is not a concern. Engineers might, however, reduce some of the kilometers in order to increase power outputs and towing capability. There won't be much freight that this hybrid can transport. Some comparable automobiles will perform better. Toyota never adapted to falling behind. Hence, one of the key goals for the forthcoming Venza is adding another power plant choice. In the years leading up to 2030, when the whole portfolio will be electrified, an all-electric Venza will. 2024 Toyota Venza price. The 2024 Toyota Venza's basic model costs $33,500. Such compact SUVs were formerly available for just $30,000, but prices have since increased. The cost of upgrading to 3-row variants and stronger engines has increased. Customers receive a significant boost of $4,000. For an additional $1,100, the Nightshade makes everything darker. The most costly option is the Special Edition, which costs $45,000.